Welcome back, guys. It is 5:20 right now, so Brent just went out to the pasture to get the cows inside. This is actually the first morning, not the first milking, but the first morning that they'll be coming in off the pasture. So a lot of them are up here, which is surprising. I thought most of them would be out in the pasture, but Brent did have to go get a few of them. By the way, if you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. I'm Taylor. I work on a dairy farm in central Maine, and I make videos about that. It's just me and my boss, Brent. We milk 70 cows. We do all our own field work. So we are very busy, but we absolutely love what we do, and we love taking you guys along with us and just showing you everything that happens in the day-to-day life in the dairy farm. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, I know, you want to come inside. So I can hear Brent out there. He must be almost done bringing them up. Most of them are up here. Yeah. Hey, you want to come inside? Yes. Go out and see if we can get a little bit of a peek at him. Turn on the barn water. See him driving him up a little bit. Yep. He's just over there driving up the last of them. So I've already got their cornmeal ready. I do have to drive the skid steer down here. Block that hole off. Together right now, that way we don't have to do it after we're done letting the cows in. Brent's just going down and let them in right now. So it's been quite a while since I showed you guys any of milking, so that's kind of the plan for today. I wanted to just take you guys along with us for milking. Kind of see how they do once they go out onto pasture. You gotta get your head through the other side. Get it. Got something wrong with your foot, dear?
Oh, I gotta take the four-wheeler. I gotta take the four-wheeler back around.
Yeah, it looks like she's got some buildup or something.
Huh?
Looks like she's got buildup or something. Something we gotta look at.
Yeah.
One of our most fresh cow has something going on with her foot, so we're gonna leave her in this morning and take a look at that. So we gotta get right into milking. I'll go around with their cornmeal right now. Take you guys around and show you some of their bags just to show you how they're doing on pasture. They never make quite as much like the first day because they're just out there wandering around because they're so excited to be out there. But they do pretty good. You can see this heifer right here. She's got a lot in her. She's a purebred Guernsey. We have one of our like later lactation Holsteins. You can see she's actually leaking a little bit, so she's doing good. And then we have kind of one of our mid-level. Got quite a lot in her too. Yes, she said milk me. Jeez. Exciting! Food time! Brent just headed down. He's giving them their minerals. Since we don't feed grain, we only feed cornmeal. You have to feed them minerals like religiously. You have to feed them every morning. So we go down through and we just dust it on top of their cornmeal. And that'll help them get bred back and obviously give them all the minerals they're missing from grain. And we don't have any issues when we've been feeding like that for 4.5 years, and it's worked really well. So that's what he's doing right now. I'll carry some machines. Carry down 3 at a time, and they're quite heavy. You get stuck on absolutely everything. I think Brent is carrying the other 3 machines, so we're just gonna go down and grab the milk cart that we drag along with us as we're going down through the barn milking. Has all our towels and our iodine and everything we need to prep the cows and wash the cows, get them ready for milking in it. So I'll go grab that and the hoe, because we're gonna need that since they've been out on the pasture. They're gonna be really loose. Want me to take one for you?
Yeah. All right.
All right, so we're all set to jump right into milking. We do have to have a coffee break first though, of course. It is 20 minutes of 6 right now, so we're gonna get started quarter of. Get them milked and get them right back out onto pasture so that they can enjoy part of their day before it gets extremely hot. Then I have a surprise for you guys. We're going to pick something up. I am so excited about it. So keep watching. I can't wait to show you guys. Nelson. Nelson says, but first, coffee, right? Yes. Now most of them are just laying down, relaxing.
It doesn't work.
Good start this morning. I just got it all over.
Okay. There's a queen.
girls, get up. Come on, get up. Get up. Good girl. Come on, up, up. Up, up, get up. Come on, 44, get up. Get up. Get up. Don't be lazy, come on. Get up. Oh, good girl. She said, I'm tired. The green automatic one over there?
Huh?
The green one in the dry cow box?
Best thing we ever did was put that over there.
I love that.
It's crazy about that.
I swear they walk all the way around the pasture just to drink at it. Alright, so they are all out to pasture with the exception of Dolly here, who needs her foot looked at, so we're going to go get some stuff for her. Didn't make too bad of a mess in here this morning. Mostly because everybody laid down the entire milking. Okay, so we're going to need these clippers. Grab this knife and a roll of foot wrap and some of this just in case, and we'll see if we need anything else. if we need any oxytetracycline to put on it, we'll come back and grab that. I don't think she has anything like that going on. That would be for hoof rot or something like that. We don't really have many cases of that. Every once in a blue moon, if it's like really, really wet, or just, you know, they're walking through mud all the time or something like that, which is the same thing as being really wet. But I don't think that's her problem either. If she does need a wrap, we'll wrap it, just if we find an abscess or something. Pack it with that, and then wrap it up real good. Set all this stuff down here by her. Now, the other thing that we need is these things hanging from the beam up there. I don't know what you call it. Probably one of you guys knows what you call it. So if you do know, let me know. It just kind of like, I don't know if it's like a log pinch or something. The more you pull down on it, the more it grabs whatever it's in. So we just use that and we hook it up there, and then we tie the rope around that chain there. And then we just lift their foot up like that just so we can look at it real good. Whenever we have a cow that has a really, really bad hoof, we just, you know, have the hoof trimmer come and do it, but we don't have our own chute. So this is just how we do it when we have one cow that has a little bit of something going on, and we just have to look at it. You can see she is stepping on it funny. They're not long, they don't need a trim. She just, I think, has a little bit of buildup. Maybe the outside edge she's got a little bit, something going on. I don't know. We'll see. Should have left the hoe down here. She'll probably grab as soon as she lifts it. Shut up. They always do. You want me to pull up on it?
There.
You got it?
Yeah, I don't see much. I think we'll right there. Geez, I don't
She kind of acts like there's something going on right
yeah.
there. Right in that hole right there. Looks like an old one, so.
Yeah, there's a little.
Like a rock, maybe.
You smell it now.
Okay.
Like you said, I think it's an old one.
Yeah.
As long as it's green a little bit, it'll.
Pretty pink bandage for you. She's walking a little bit better. As long as it's draining, that'll help her a lot. Make sure she doesn't get any dirt in there or anything. We're not gonna clean the barn this morning because we really have to get going. We have to meet somebody to pick up the surprise. I'm super excited. We are back, so not as excited as I was beforehand, but the surprise that I wanted to show you guys is we picked up 2 new calves, and I should explain why they are absolutely soaked. So today was supposed to be a nice day, in the weatherman's own words. It was supposed to be a chance of a pop-up thunderstorm. It wasn't supposed to be bad. It was around 83 degrees when we went to get these girls. By the time we left the farm, we got them loaded up and everything. It was still beautiful there. And about 10 minutes away from there, that was about 45 minutes away from our farm. it started absolutely downpouring and the temperature dropped 20 degrees. That wasn't supposed to happen. We have a cage that is covered and we would have brought that if we'd known that was gonna happen. But they didn't say anything about that, so we just took this one because it was open and airy and it was 84 degrees, so we didn't want them to be too hot if we had the covered cage. So we don't have them off the truck yet because we want to give them each a shot of penicillin. We're probably going to give them 6 cc's each. Just to make sure they don't get sick from that. They got soaked and now they're going to be in here where it's humid. It's pretty cold now. It's only like 61 degrees, but it's still humid. You can hear the thunder out there right now. These are purebred Ayrshire calves. We have a farm that we got a couple breeding bulls from years and years and years ago. Couple purebred Ayrshires, and they were amazing cows, had really good genetics. So we picked up a couple calves from them. The bigger one is actually mine. I actually bought that one, so super excited. They're each, this one is just a month old, and this one actually she's not quite a month old. She's really close, and the other one is a little bit over a month old. So they show their cows and everything, so this one right here, the bigger one that I bought, I'm gonna call her Funny Face or Funky Face, which isn't very nice. She said that's mean, but it's a term of endearment. She has a little bit of a dish on her forehead, so she's like perfect body conformation other than that dish in her forehead, which we don't care about that. We're just gonna milk her for the next 20 years. So the little one's name is Speedy, I believe. They are actually registered. Well, we can get them registered. We have to obviously switch that over if that's what we want to do. But the little one's registered name is Speedy, and the big one's name is Vita. I'm gonna nickname the little one Jazz, and I'm gonna call this one, like I said, I'm gonna call her Funny Face just because she's got that funky dish in her face. So yeah, Brent's coming out right now. Hi.
Hey.
So give them their shots.
Yeah, they'll be alright. Where's that needle?
It's in here. Okay, so the needle's right there. I'll give you a new. I think this is how you're supposed to get them off, but yeah.
Go through that one.
Man, yep.
Did you go ahead and close that door?
I didn't, but I can. You just gonna let them run around for now?
Yeah.
Get dried off a little bit. Poor things. So that was nice and traumatizing. Thanks a lot.
They'll be alright.
Come on, girls. You're not gonna like this. Sorry, baby. Jeez. Ooh, you feisty little thing. It's okay, hon. This is for your own good.
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Hold on. That way. There you go.
Run around a little bit. Come on. Go up there. There you go.
There you go. Okay. There you go. Hold right there.
Okay, you got her. Hey, honey.
There. All right.
There's that.
Put that thing off her.
Still. There you go.
Yeah, they'll dry off. You close those two side doors.
Go find your friend. So this one actually had scours when she was born pretty bad, so that's why she has no hair on her butt. She's all better now. Just gotta grow her hair back. Whoa, whoa, got her. The wind blew that gate over. Oh, and they're headed right for that side door. Dang it. Hi, Cinnamon. Wait, girls. Some of the cows are out there on pasture. Some are hiding underneath the tree over there, trying to stay dry. And some of them are in the freestall. You're a pretty girl. You can tell, like, right there. See, she's got a dish in her forehead there. She's still pretty. The cows are like, what are those things? Wet little gremlins. So we are up to 13 or 14 heifers now, replacement heifers. Those 2 Ash years, and then we have a bunch of our own Normandy crosses, and then we have a bunch of Jerseys as well, a Jersey Holstein, actually 2 Jersey Holsteins. We have a bigger one over at the heifer barn, and then we have Cinnamon, who's the same thing. It is about, oh goodness, it's actually almost 3 o'clock right now, so we're gonna have to get right into milking. Put those calves in their own pen, give them some nice, clean, comfy sawdust so they can lay down and dry off a little bit. Still feel really bad that happened, but what are you gonna do? You can't foresee everything, and it wasn't supposed to happen, but it's still a bummer that it did. But giving them that medicine should make sure that nothing happens to them. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, as always, don't forget to like and comment down below, and subscribe, of course, because all those things really do help us out a lot, help us reach more people, and we always just love bringing you guys along with us. So I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Keep it real, keep farming, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.